Unoziva zimbo chero kariburitsa muZimbabwe mweya wacho haubudi mumusoro ewe kuva muzimbo imikani kokuzowetera nekuitira tsvina mumagardens evanhu kotoileti dzaenda kupiko handiti ndimi here people that are now civil vari kugara kunyika dziri kure zvamboita seiko. Last year we made another video yeZimfest attendees zvakare vachiita zvinhu zvisina maturo kuUK ikoko hakuzi here kuda kuvharirana zvinhu zvakanaka zvanga zvichiitirwa to celebrate African culture. Welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So pabuda news dziri kuwandira kuUK uku dzekuti vedwe Zimfest ichapedzisira yavhariswa. So they are accused of urinating nekuita tsvina in Residence Garden as UK venue also apologizes for this. Thousands of people who attended Zimfest, described as the United Kingdom's largest celebration of African culture, music and heritage, left residents in Northampton complaining of widespread disruption with allegations that some festival goers vakawetera mumagarden vamwe vakatoitira tsvina in a front garden and others subjected locals to abuse, according to a newspaper reku Northampton ikoko. The festival, which primarily attracts Zimbabweans living in the UK and features artists from Zimbabwe, drew about 11,000 people on Saturday, July 25. Performers traveled from Zimbabwe and joined UK-based acts for the annual celebration in Zimbabwean music, food and culture, which ran from 1 p.m. until 10:30 p.m. According to the Northampton Chronicles, surrounding streets became gridlocked as many motorists ignored designated parking areas and the official park and ride service from Edgar Mobbs Way, choosing instead to park on the residential roads. Far Cotton Ward Councillor Julie Davenport told the newspaper she had been inundated with complaints from residents following the event. The evidence I have seen includes antisocial behavior, persistent horn sounding long after the event had finished, shouting and abuse, vanhu vachiwetera in Residence Garden, one incident kutoitira tsvina pafront garden, dangerous parking and vehicles blocking or parking across residence driveway. For many local people, it was an absolute nightmare. Davenport said residents deserved answers on whether adequate planning and mitigation measures had been put in place before the event and why they had proved ineffective, while describing the organization of Zimfest as an unmitigated failure from the perspective of residents. She stressed that her criticism was not directed towards the venue or its staff, saying she wanted the venue to continue hosting successful events that benefit Northampton. So, varikuti varidzi venue apologized for the disruption and said residents would play a central role in reviewing what went wrong. Residents would be invited to town hall style meetings involving local ward councillor and community representative to ensure their concerns were heard. We are currently investigating all various different elements of the event and we will be reviewing going forward what happens with this event. The organizers will equally be working with me to go through and review all of this, and we are listening to the communities. Nichols said organizers had implemented traffic management measures, including a park and ride service from Northampton Saint Rugby Grounds, and had instructed ticket holders not to drive directly to the venue. However, she said many attendees chose not to use the service. We had booked the Saints ground to do park and ride. The instructions to ticket holders was not to come to the venue. It was to use the park and ride. However, people tried their luck. So my local authorities ari kuti iwo isusu hatisi kufara nekaunhu kaitwa netimu remazimbo iri. Imikani vamwe vari kuti iwo absolutely disgusting. I would like to complain in the strongest possible terms about the Zimfest yesterday. The parking was diabolical. I am very ill and need to get to hospital when I needed. I was barricaded in my own home. Cars were everywhere. People, festival goers, vaiwetera in my garden, throwing bottles and cans at my front door and yelling and screaming, swearing at my wife and myself. The venue is not the venue to host such an event. It's nowhere near adequate for the crowds of people who descended. My health has deteriorated since the event. Please do something for the community and do not allow such events here again. London Road resident. So ndo ma sentiments ari kubuda kutimu riri ku-UK ku vakati zvaiitikwa kuZimfest zvakare gore rino hazvina kubuda zvakanaka. Last year taitaura nyaya yetusikana twakapfeka humwe humini hwairatidza pati yese yomuvi iri pashe. Tikataura zvakare nyaya yekuwetera nekuitira tsvina pashe. Takazvitaura vanhu vachidhakwa kunge hameno ikoko. Ko tarasa unhu hwedu here nekuti taku-UK. Ko zvatataura kuti ndimi makakwira kandege muri kuona zvinhu zve-civilization ikoko. Ko kuzoitira pashe. Mei mafunga kuti muri kwabushu here. Naivedwe. So pane vakawanda vane ma-sentiments avo vari kuti before patanga unhu hwama-COS kuti aindiswe nema-sponsorship aya panga pasina zvakadai zviri kuitika. But guys hatisadaro nai kuti ma-COS, this has been going on for years, and St Albans venue banned this fest for the very same reason after complaints that go back to 5 or 6 years ago. Even mama events police inotomira panze as they expect commotion, and this is from time yana tuku chaiyo. The few bad apples have existed for the past decade, but they ruin our reputation evese. Whereas with the current volatile situation vanhu vanouya nezvikepe ava vachatikanganisira. So I view kuti we say UK is depressing, togadzirirwa my events and we destroy the reputation, even blocking future events. Kuno kumaraini kwedu, a group of people got together and began doing Sunday barbecues for the community and other neighboring towns. They weren't allowed to get in with alcohol, but vaitosmagla ma-whiskey, ma-wine and nezvimwe zvinodhaka, mapowder iwaite thayo. They would fight voweta voita tsvina maheji kusvika vavharirwa venue, and they tried to reopen it. It was never the same. Seiko takadai so? We are unbelievable. Zvine zvamboita seiko munhu mukuru kukumura wokotama pachena. I think Zimfest iyi ngaingoitirwa kure nedzimba, and Zimfest haina kutanga nhasi iyi. Why for the past 3 years kwanyanyisa kuita mutauro wakadai? Nemaonero atiri kuita iyi function ngaingovharwa zvayo iyi until people learn simple decency. Shuwa kutoita zvavanoita vari kuruzevha kuseri kwebhawa rekanzuru kungopota guys tinosvodeswa nai. The venue was not ideal per fair, yes. It is in the middle of a residential, yes. I did feel for the residents, yes. But nyaya yekuzoti chero kuchinziri pakati peresidential ndio zvinokupa here pfungwa yekusvika pakuitira tsvina panze kana kunyara wopukuta netishu wosiya pakachenuruka ipapo panze. Ndokuita sei ikoko? Aiwa vana veZimbabwe tadidarirei kunyadzisana kudai.